Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first sem, section Chevrolet, Campus ID 24CS2844, subject Physics, subject code BPHYS102, topic Semiconductor Diode Laser. In this video, we will be learning about the definition of semiconductor diode laser, its principle, construction, working, and few advantages and disadvantages, and also applications. Coming to the definition of semiconductor diode laser, it is specifically fabricated PN junction code. This diode emits laser light when it is forward biased. Coming to the principle, when a p-n junction diode is forward biased, the electrons from N region and the holes from the P region across the junction and recombine with each other. During the recombination process, the light radiation, that is photons, is released from a certain specified direct band gap semiconductors like gas, that is gallium arsenide. This light radiation is known as recombination radiation. The photon emitted during recombination stimulates other electrons and holes to recombine. As a result, stimulated emission takes place, which produces laser. Next, coming to the construction. The figure in this slide of this presentation shows the basic construction of semiconductor diode laser. The active medium is a p-n junction made for a single crystal of gallium arsenide. This crystal is cut in a form of platter having the thickness of 0.5 micrometer. The platelet consists of two parts having an electron conductivity N-type and hole conductivity P-type. The photoemission is stimulated in a very thin layer of p-n junction in order of few microns. The electrical voltage is applied to the crystal through the electrode fitted on the upper surface. The end faces of the junction diode are well polished and parallel to each other. They act as an optical resonator through which the emitted light comes out. Now we will learn about the working of semiconductor diode laser. The figure in this slide shows the working of semiconductor diode laser. When the p-n junction is forward biased with large applied voltage, the electrons and holes are injected into the junction region in considerable concentration. The region around the junction contains large amount of electrons in the conduction band and a large amount of holes in the valence band. If the population density is high, a conduction of population inversion is achieved. The electrons and the holes recombine with each other, and these recombinations produce radiation in the form of light. The figure in this slide shows the energy level diagram of semiconductor diode laser. When the forward biased voltage is increased, more and more light photons are emitted and the light production instantly becomes stronger. These photons will trigger a chain of stimulated recombination, resulting in release of photons in phase. The photons moving at the plane of the junction travels back and forth by reflection between two slides placed parallel and opposite to each other and grow in strength. After gaining enough of strength, it gives out the laser beam of wavelength 8400 angstrom. That was all about the working of semiconductor diode laser. Now we will learn about the characteristics. The characteristics are type, active medium, pumping method, power output, nature of output, and wavelength of output. Coming to the type, it is a solid state semiconductor laser. Active medium, a p-n junction diode made from a single crystal of gallium arsenide is used as active medium. Pumping method, the direct conversion method is used for pumping action. The power output from this laser is 1 milliwatt. Next is nature of output. The nature of output is continuous wave or pulsed output. Then the last is wavelength of output. Gallium arsenide laser gives infrared radiation in the wavelength 8300 to 8500 angstrom. That was all about the characteristics of semiconductor diode laser. Now we will learn about the advantages and disadvantages. The advantages are it is very small in dimension, the arrangement is simple and compact. It exhibits high efficiency, can have a continuous wave output or pulsed output. Next, the disadvantages are it is difficult to control the mode pattern and mode structure of laser. The output is usually from 5° to 15°. That is, laser beam has large divergence. Purity and monochromaticity are poor than other types of laser beam. It has poor coherence and poor stability. Then the last is application. It is widely used in communication. It is used to heal the wounds by infrared radiation. It is used in laser printers and CD writing and reading. And also, it is used in barcode readers. This was all about my topic. In this video, we have learned about the principle of semiconductor diode laser, its construction, its working, and few advantages and disadvantages, and also the applications and characteristics. I hope this video finds you all useful. Thank you everyone for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.